In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to buy official Trump meme coin that just launched that is making a lot of noise in the crypto space. The easiest way to do this, if you're someone, let's say that who doesn't really want to worry about going through a blockchain, copy or pasting crypto addresses, or even going through multiple crypto exchanges, is using a MoonShot app. MoonShot app allows you to buy the hottest meme coins on the market right now. Whether you're looking to buy new meme coins, old meme coins, you have a ton of different options with the MoonShot app. So the first thing that we're going to do is download the MoonShot app. MoonShot app is available both on iOS and Android, and you can use the link down in the description in order to do so. So when we download the MoonShot app and we open it up for the first time, we should be presented with a screen like this, something that looks like this. It is very clean and very simple to use, with a variety of different meme coins that you can purchase, hundreds of meme coins that you can purchase with the MoonShot app. And the best feature of the MoonShot app that it allows us to buy meme coins instantly using our Apple Pay, our debit or credit cards, bank transfers, and even a PayPal. So whatever method you prefer to use, the MoonShot app got you covered with a super clean interface, especially for the ones that do not want to go through exchanges, exchanging multiple cryptocurrencies. It is worth mentioning that the MoonShot app allows you to get some free crypto after you make your first deposit. You have a chance to win anywhere between $3 and all the way up to $100 of a random meme coin. Now, if we click on the holdings on the bottom right hand corner, we can see even when we make our deposits, we are able to choose multiple ways of funding our account. We can use Apple Pay, credit or debit card, bank transfers, and even a PayPal. This is absolutely wonderful for an app like this. You can also use crypto. So I deposited some money using crypto. Basically, you're going to have to send some Solana using a USDC Solana. So now you made your first deposit, you have your app funded, we want to purchase official Trump coin. All we're going to do here is come to the search bar and we're simply going to input Trump. We're going to put Trump in here. Once we put Trump, we can see here that we have Trump coin. We're simply going to go ahead and click on Trump. After you click on it, you're going to see a chart that is pumping big time. And I got to say, I'm very impressed what this coin has done in the past 24 hours. We can view the chart in 4 different ways. As we can see here, we have 1 day. We also have an option to select a 4 hour, which is going to show us a chart of a 4 hour. We also have another option as a live chart, which is basically showing us what's happening right at this moment. And we have a max chart. Once we click into a max chart, we can see that the official Trump coin came out 2 days ago, and the price was a little bit over $1.65. Now you can see what this coin has done in the past 24 hours. It has gone absolutely to the moon. So if we scroll down here, we can see some more important information about this coin. Things such as market cap, which is standing at $46 billion, the trading volume in the last 24 hours, which is absolutely crazy, of $12.2 billion, the amount of holders, people that are holding this coin, the circulating supply, and the last one when this coin was created, which is showing 2 days and 2 hours ago. Now let me show you how simple it is to buy official Trump meme coin. We're simply going to select on a big green buy button, and once we are in this screen, it's asking us how much do we want to buy. With the MoonShot app, you can invest as little as $1. You can also invest thousands and thousands of dollars. It all depends how much you're willing to risk in this exact meme coin. After you input your desired amount, you're simply going to come down here and swipe to buy. You're going to go ahead and swipe to the right. Once you do this, it's basically going to fill your order instantly. That is how simple it is to buy a brand new official Trump meme coin using a MoonShot app. Congratulations, you're an official owner of some Trump meme coin. Let's say you come here in a few hours or even tomorrow and you are in profits. How do you secure your gains? I'm actually going to show you how easy that is. We're simply going to select on sell right down here at the bottom. And let's say we have huge profits. How much do we want to say? I'm going to choose max. We're going to go ahead and simply slide to the right. And what this is going to do is basically instantly fill our sell order in a matter of seconds. Now we're presented with this screen where it's basically stating that I have sold Trump coin at 0.235% in a loss. That is how simple it is to sell your gains. If we go into holdings on the right hand side at the bottom, we can see that the current balance I have is $45.71. So how do we withdraw our profits? Well, we're simply going to come down here and we're going to click on what kind of options do we want to withdraw in. We have an option of credit card or debit card, bank transfer, Coinbase, and even PayPal. Honestly, I'm a huge fan of the MoonShot app. Even though I am a seasoned crypto investor, I'm very much familiar of using different blockchains and different crypto wallets. But it never hurts to have options and the simplicity, especially if you're someone that doesn't really want to worry about going through different blockchains and converting multiple cryptos through multiple exchanges. The MoonShot app is a one-stop place. It gives us the simplicity and the user-friendly interface with a lot of different options. We have a variety of meme coins that we can choose to buy and invest in. Now that you've seen me buy official Trump meme coin through using a MoonShot app, let me know down in the description if you're going to be buying a Trump meme coin or any other coin as a matter of fact. If you found value in this video, I would greatly appreciate if you press the like button and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you use the links down in the description for the MoonShot app and get a free bonus with your first deposit. And I'll see you in the next one.